Okay, so I've heard this remarked on TikTok. How could Adam and Eve be the first two people on earth? And then the next thing, they have kids and their sons take wives, like from the land of Nod, maybe. Now, how come there's nobody in Adam and Eve in the first story, but all of a sudden there's people on the earth when they start having kids? The reason is the part that talks about Cain and Abel taking wives, that was written before the Genesis creation part. That's it. That was written before. Nobody thought, well, they're the only ones here. They didn't come up with that until later. So, it's like writing a sequel before you write the prequel. The part with Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden was written after the part where they have sons who take wives. That's all it is. Ask any Bible scholar. I'm a Bible scholar. I've studied the Bible for 50 years. You can ask the other scholars, and it's generally agreed that that's it. That's why. People writing the parts of the Bible didn't know each other, didn't all agree with each other. They were just collections of writings put in a certain order. Just like the Genesis creation account has two creation accounts. In the first chapter, there's one. In the second chapter, it goes into lengths describing it better. And that's because the first part of Genesis was written before the second part. And that's all it is. The order in which it was written. Ask any scholar, they'll tell you the same thing. Hey, if you like this, maybe hit the like button. Maybe subscribe. I'd be real happy if you were to do that, mate. Thanks for watching.